Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is so clear on the monthly time frame that this is an uptrend for wave A. One, two, three waves down for a big three-way pattern. Wave B, I think this is a one, two, three of a uptrend for the wave C. So I think we're in a wave 3 of C. I think eventually it'll may go down and make a 4 of C and then back up again for a 5 of C. And there's really no evidence as of yet that the wave 3 of wave C is even over, and it could potentially just keep on trending up from here. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave 3, but I can kind of see subdivisions 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe we're in a wave 5 of wave 3. So far, like I said, there's no lower high, there's no break of structure, there's no Fibonacci bounce, there's really no engulfing move to the downside. There is no evidence that the wave 3 is really even over yet. So definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames primarily. Going down to the daily, I left my Fibonacci retracement on here just so I could show you guys that normally when price closes above the 78%, even if it does go down, it's usually just a correction to the uptrend. Definitely still in an uptrend. Definitely still no evidence the trend is over. 100% still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, even if it does go down, I definitely think it's just going to be a correction to the uptrend. If it does go down, that's actually great news for us because that should give us another opportunity to go long at the end of the pullback for another continuation of the uptrend entry. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So I was actually wondering if the correction was already over, even though it's a higher high, because this looks like impulsive down. This looks extremely corrective. I think it could be a wave A. I think it could be a wave B. I think this could be a wave C. Trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. Pound is still pretty strong across the board. I wouldn't be surprised if this does just keep on trending up from here, making those higher highs and those higher lows. Now, if it does turn down, then fine. That's not really a big deal for me. Even if it does turn down, okay, I'll just continue to look for longs at the end of corrections for the continuation of the uptrend. But either way, I am looking for longs, whether it goes down again or whether it keeps drifting up from here. I will be looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see, basically like I've been doing for pretty much years now on the yen pairs, because we have to keep in mind that this is about a 4 year uptrend on the pound yen. There's nothing saying that this couldn't turn into a 5 or 6 year uptrend, and we definitely want to continue to trade with the trend because the trend is our friend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover all the pairs on this list over here from top to bottom every single day for my members. Also gives you access to my swing/day trade setups that I share with the members at the time of entry. You get all this by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.